Jason with Christmas Designers. It's hard to believe that October 1st is just around the corner. The official start of the installation season is upon us. We've been incredibly busy around here at Christmas Designers this past off season, adding a lot of new product, really tweaking our operation. We've added an additional warehouse. We're up to about 200,000 square feet of warehouse space now. So lots of product. We've got expanded selection of trees. Went very deep on commercial trees this year, commercial displays, and of course the staple products that you guys all use out in the field on a daily basis. We're extremely excited about two particular product lines. One is our commercial fiberglass displays that's new for us this year. I've been extremely impressed with the quality of those, and a number of you have already ordered the displays, have them in hand, and a lot of good feedback from you on that. Of course, the other product line is RGB Christmas lights, which have just exploded, especially the Twinkly Pro product line, which is the talk of the industry. Got a lot of that coming in. Really excited to get that into your hands. If you haven't been on our website in a while, christmasdesigners.com, be sure and visit, take a look at all the new stuff we've added. I know the tariffs have hit all of us real hard this year. We've had 4 tariffs that have hit, so definitely not fun with that, but we're seeing a lot of great stuff coming up for this upcoming year and expecting a really busy season. If you need anything from us, of course, reach out to us via phone, email, Facebook Instant Messenger. We're always there for you. Here's to an awesome year ahead.